Ever since, Urdaneta became an official component city of Pangasinan in March of 1998. The city continues to soar high in the heights of economy, making it the ideal urban growth center and dynamic investment hub in central eastern Pangasinan. More than the excellent economic state of Urdaneta, the welfare and protection of the children are one of its utmost priorities. The Urdaneta city government, working hand in hand with the different offices and the community, continues to create innovative and sustainable programs and projects that are anchored on the city local code for children, the Convention of the Rights of a Child, and the Philippine Plan of Action for Children for the wholesome development of every child living in the city. Urdaneta is envisioned to be a child-friendly city with children who are born healthy and well with an inherent right to life, endowed with human dignity, living in a peaceful, progressive, gender-fair, and child-friendly society, reaching his or her own potential with the right opportunities, free and protected by a responsive and enabling government actively participating in decision-making and good governance. The primary mission of Urdaneta City is to provide adequate basic services such as health and nutrition, social services, legal services, educational, spiritual, and moral values. To develop their personalities, abilities, and talents to fullest potentials. To promote peaceful, orderly, and safe environment, special protection measures, and assistance from abuse, exploitation, violence, and all forms of discrimination or punishment. Formulation and enforcement of city ordinances. To ensure that the city of Urdaneta adheres to the vision and mission on child care, the local government under the administration of City Mayor Amadeo Perez IV has been continuously planning and realizing various programs dedicated to the children's holistic development. To promote and ensure that pregnant women and their child are healthy before, during, and after natal delivery, the city government, pursuant to City Ordinance Number 8 or the rapid reduction of maternal and neonatal mortality by implementing health reforms, provides health services for pregnant women in every barangay such as free prenatal clinic visits, immunization programs, postpartum checkups, supplementation, counseling on breastfeeding, and many other programs implemented by the City Health Office. The city government has also helped in addressing the concern of the prevalence rate of underweight and severely underweight children through City Ordinance Number 032, Series of 2012. Or the Food Fortification Ordinance of Urdaneta City, which requires food service establishments such as restaurants and fast food chains to fortify their food products with additional nutrients for a healthy citizenry. The city government has been frequently monitoring the weight of preschool children through the Operation Timbang Plus program, and providing iron-fortified rice and multivitamins to preschoolers. Furthermore, parents also undergo counseling on complementary feeding to infants and children. One of the strengths of Urdaneta City is the diverse community. The city is a home to people of different social and ethnic origins. Therefore, the city government advocates respect, unity, and inclusivity by way of supporting the formation of Madrasa education program in Urdaneta 1 Central School to provide appropriate and significant educational opportunities within the context of Muslim culture, customs, traditions, and interests through the integration of ALIVE, or the Arabic language and Islamic values education. Urdaneta 1 Central School has special education program mainly offered to learners with special education needs. The institution has fully participated in the advocacy and implementation of all programs and activities under the umbrella of special education, such as the White Cane Awareness Day for the Blind, Cerebral Palsy Awareness Week, and National Disability Prevention and Rehabilitation Week. The city government with the CSWD has given educational and restorative assistance to learners with special education needs. In year 2016, the city government allocated more than 52 million pesos or 13% of the total internal revenue for early childhood education and socialization, in which more than 44 million or 80% of this allotment was fully utilized. Such programs that were implemented include supplemental feeding programs, provision of ECCD kits to 55 daycare centers, daycare workers, training and accreditation, information dissemination on earthquake and fire drills, evaluation of safety measures, education assistance, construction and repair of school buildings, honorariums of school board teachers, building and restoration of 6 daycare centers. The city library, on the other hand, has many programs for children and parents alike. These are the current awareness program, barangay pangserbisyo, library orientation, educational television, reading challenge, storytelling, barangay reading center, read, explore and discover program, home visitation, book drive, children book club, and Intayo Sukisukan program. The city government believes that the proper development begins at home. This leads to the conduct of the Family Week celebration to ensure and enhance bonding among family members, and the parental care and support sessions for parents to promote effective parenting. Custody assistance is also given to women and children who are victims of abuse in Crisis Center for Women and Children. And to strengthen the campaign in eradicating violence against women and children, the city government has assigned VAUSI desk officers in all barangays to be able to take action and directly give assistance to the victims when in need. In addition to this, an information education campaign through different activities such as lecture on special laws for children are provided for elementary and secondary pupils from the different schools and barangays. Indeed, Urdaneta City proves to be one of the most competent cities in terms of advocating the development and protection of the children and their rights. The City of Administration of Urdaneta, specifically the Local Council for the Protection of Children, together with all 34 barangays, shall continue to work hand in hand in creating and innovating different programs geared towards the improvement of our children's well-being. As the cleanest, greenest, and safest city in the region, the local government reaffirms its commitment in promoting a better living environment for the future of our nation. Urdaneta, truly a beautiful city.